Let's speak facts. Your hair struggles aren't just about genetics. Don't fool yourself into thinking you inherited bad hair. What's really being passed down is lifestyle, stress, poor diet, lack of sleep, inflammation, and bad hair care habits. These are the real culprits. And if we don't address them, we pass them to the next generation. Continuing the cycle, your hair growth isn't just about what products you use, it's about your whole lifestyle. Are you eating nutrient rich foods? Are you managing stress and getting rest? Do you have a consistent healthy hair routine? Do you use herbal ingredients? Do you use them consistently? The health of your hair starts from within, and the choices you make today will impact your hair tomorrow. Break the cycle. It's not about bad genetics, it's about making better choices. That is why today I brought you amazing herbal ingredients that you can use to grow your hair thick, darken your hair, grow your hair long. You can see how jet black my hair is. That is consistency. Healthy hair care practices, to be consistent in your healthy hair care practices, eating right, using herbal ingredients. I have used herbal ingredients for the longest of time, over 7 years and counting. And I didn't just say that I'm tired. I have been consistent. Consistency is key. Try out these remedies if you want to grow your hair like weed. Look how long my hair is. And by now, my hair is even longer because it's been a while that I took that video. Now, to begin, grab your blender. I told you that you can get this blender from Amazon. Type small blenders and you will see this small meal blenders. And our first ingredient is flax seeds. Someone may ask, does flax seed work in hair growth oils? Yes, it does. Second ingredient is black seeds. Now, we are using all ingredients in 1 tablespoon. Just for those of you that may be asking for the ingredients measurements. Now, the third ingredient is star anise. Look at what good star anise looks like. Measure out 1 tablespoon into your dry mill blender. If you don't have this blender, you can use any other blender you have around you, but this is just simple. You can purchase it for the sake of your DIYs. It comes in handy. Look how it crushed those ingredients. Now I'm going to transfer everything in my bowl. If you have bowl, if you have cup, whatever you want to use it. Now I want to introduce you to sunflower oil. Those of you that have not tried sunflower oil, please do give it a shot. It is an amazing oil next to olive oil. Now I measured out 500 ml worth, which is 1 cup, and I transferred it into my bowl, stirred vigorously to combine, placed a pan on fire, brought to a boil, and then I placed this bowl in it, kind of a double boiler method. So I'm going to allow this for 20 to 25 minutes, depending on when the herbs infuse. But just give it 20 to 25 minutes. You don't want to kill the herbs. You don't want to burn it. You don't want to burn it directly on the heat so that you don't lose all the ingredients. This is just perfect. DIY double boiler method is just perfect way to infuse this. Now strain it and then transfer into your applicator bottle. You can do long-term infusion that can last for 3 to 6 months. Just pour everything in the bowl, place it under direct sunlight or maybe in your kitchen cabinet. Leave it for 3 to 6 months. That's cold press method, but this is heat pressed method. But this method is also very safe because we are not burning, or sorry, we are not heating this directly on heat. Use this to massage your scalp every day. If you want to grow thick hair, long hair, healthy hair, apply this daily on your scalp. You can also use it as a pre-poo, use it to pre-poo your hair, use it in your deep conditioners, use it in so many things. You would normally use oil in your routine. Be consistent in a healthy routine and you will see your hair thrive. Everything is not genetics. Like I see some of you in the comment section when you see my hair. You can compare my hair today to my hair last 4 or 5 years. There is a huge difference. There is a big difference in my hair as at 2025 that I'm speaking to you. July 2025 that I'm speaking to you. There is a huge difference. The difference is clear. You can compare my hair now to then. There is a huge difference. So forget about genetics. Don't fool yourself with genetics. All those genetics talks is because you're lazy to take care of your hair. If you devote your time to taking care of your hair and being consistent, you're going to see a huge difference in your hair. Someone just reached out to me before I started voicing this video. Someone reached out to me telling me that her locks grows faster than when her hair is loose. And I told her, sis, the only thing that you're battling with is length retention. You're finding it difficult to retain length. And that is why you are able to grow your hair in locks than than when your hair is loose. So length retention is the culprit here. We are finding it. It's not that your hair is not growing. Your hair is growing, but the problem is you are not retaining length. If you start retaining length today, your hair will start growing. So I'm going to use that her message to speak to a lot of you much later. I'm going to tell you guys a lot of things about your hair, why your hair is not retaining length when it is loose and is retaining length when you have your locks. So genetics is not the problem. So the problem is lack of length retention. Okay, so start taking good care of your hair. Healthy hair practices pays. Start taking good care of your hair and your hair will bounce back. Your hair will love you and you will love your hair right back. Thank you for watching this video. Give us a thumbs up and I will see you on my next. Remain blessed. Bye.